Every explanation of AI you've heard is a metaphor. A brain, a parrot, a search engine, all wrong. This is the actual machine. This is lesson 1 of LLMs, Decoded. 3 things by the end. What a language model literally is, what's inside the file, and why something so simple feels intelligent. Here's the whole secret. An LLM is one function. Text goes in. Out comes a probability for every possible next word. Given the capital of France is, it scores every token it knows. Paris, very likely. London, unlikely. Banana, nearly 0. Now the trick, pick a word, add it to the text. Run the function again and again. That loop, predict, append, repeat is the entire show. There is no step 2. The answer you're watching it type. About 300 runs of that function. A novel. 100,000 runs. Every word bought one prediction at a time. Your essay, the loop. Working code, the loop. A joke, a legal brief, this script. Loop, loop, loop. One function in a loop. That's the machine. Part 2, what's inside the file? Here's what isn't facts. A database stores records and looks them up. An LLM stores none of that. You can't point to where Paris lives. There's no row to find, nothing to look up. What's actually there? Billions of numbers called weights. Training squeezed most of the written internet through them, and what survived isn't the text, it's the patterns. Think of it as compression. Terabytes of internet crushed into a few hundred gigabytes of statistics. So when it says Paris, it didn't find Paris. The patterns just made Paris the overwhelming favorite. No facts, only patterns. Part 3. Then why does it feel smart? Because predicting the next word well is brutally hard. To do it, the model was forced to absorb grammar, facts, style, even some logic, not because anyone taught it, but because prediction fails without them. But hold the line. No goals, no memory between conversations, nothing in there checks whether it's right. It's frozen, a snapshot of patterns replayed on demand. Impressive? Yes. A mind? No. Lock it in. 1. An LLM is one function, next word in a loop. 2. Inside are patterns, not facts. 3. It feels smart because good prediction forces understanding shaped patterns. Next lesson, tokens. Here's the shock, this thing has never seen a word, not one.